Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, born the 5th of February 1985, nicknamed CR7, is a Portuguese professional footballer who plays as a forward 4 and captains the Saudi Pro League club Al Nassr and the Portugal national team. Widely regarded as one of the greatest players in history, he has won numerous individual accolades throughout his career, including 5 Ballon d'Or awards, a record 3 UEFA Men's Player of the Year awards, and for European Golden Shoes, he was named the world's best player 5 times by FIFA. Nicknamed CR7, Ronaldo is one of the most decorated players in the history of professional football, having won 35 trophies in his career, including 5 UEFA Champions Leagues, 2 UEFA Nations Leagues, and the UEFA European Championship. He holds the records for most goals and assists in the Champions League, most goals and assists in the European Championship, most international appearances, most men's international goals, and most international victories. He is the only player to have scored 100 goals with 4 different clubs and to finish as top scorer in 4 different domestic leagues. He has made over 1,300 professional career appearances, the most by an outfield player, and has scored over 970 official senior career goals for club and country, making him the top goal scorer of all time. Born in Funchal, Madeira, Ronaldo began his career with Sporting CP before signing with Manchester United in 2003. He gradually established himself as an integral player for the club, winning 3 consecutive Premier League titles, the 2007-8 Champions League, and the 2008 FIFA Club World Cup. For his performances in 2007-8, Ronaldo was awarded his first Ballon d'Or at age 23 in 2009. He joined Real Madrid in a deal worth €94 million, which was the most expensive transfer in history at the time. He was at the forefront of Madrid's resurgence as a dominant European force, helping them win 4 Champions Leagues between 2014 and 2018, including the long-awaited La Decima in 2014, where he set the record for most goals scored in a Champions League season. With Madrid, he also won 2 La Liga titles, won the Ballon d'Or in 2013, 2014, 2016, and 2017, and became the club's all-time top goal scorer. Following issues with the hierarchy at Real Madrid, Ronaldo signed for Juventus in 2018 in a transfer worth a league record of €100 million, and was pivotal in winning 2 consecutive Serie A titles, the Coppa Italia and the Capocannoniere in 2021 as the league's top scorer. In 2021, he returned to Manchester United, but his contract was terminated in 2022 after a public dispute with the club's management. Ronaldo joined Al Nassr in 2023 and led them to the Saudi Pro League title in 2026, while also finishing as the league's top scorer in 2024 and 2025. Ronaldo made his international debut for Portugal in 2003 at the age of 18 and has earned more than 200 caps, making him history's most capped male player. He scored his first international goal in Euro 2004, where he helped Portugal reach the final. He assumed the captaincy of the national team ahead of Euro 2008 and led Portugal to their first major tournament title at Euro 2016. At Euro 2020, he received the Golden Boot as the top scorer. He won the UEFA Nations Leagues in 2019 and 2025, finishing as the top scorer in both the tournaments. In 2026, he became the first player to score in 6 World Cup tournaments and his country's top goal scorer at the World Cup. One of the world's most famous and marketable athletes, Ronaldo was ranked by Sportico as the 3rd highest paid athlete of all time in April 2026. In 2026, Ronaldo appeared on the Forbes World's Billionaires list for the first time, with a net worth of $1.2 billion. Time included him on their list of the 100 most influential people in the world in 2014. He is the most popular athlete on social media, with over 1 billion followers across Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Ronaldo was named in the UEFA Ultimate Team of the Year in 2015, the all-time UEFA Euro sheet in 2016, and the Ballon d'Or Dream Team in 2020. In recognition of his record-breaking goal-scoring success, he received special awards for outstanding career achievement by FIFA in 2021. Ronaldo was born on the 5th of February 1985 in the São Pedro parish of Funchal, the capital of the Portuguese island of Madeira, and he grew up in the nearby parish of Santo Antonio. His mother, Maria Dolores dos Santos Viveiros Aveiro, worked as a cook in the hospitality industry and as a cleaning woman. His father, José Dinas Aveiro, was a municipal gardener at the Junta de Freguesia of Santo Antonio and a part-time kitman for the football club Andorinha. Ronaldo's father had served in the Portuguese army during the Portuguese colonial war and saw combat in Angola. He was traumatized by his experiences, which led to a lifelong struggle with alcoholism. Ronaldo has an older brother, Hugo, and 2 older sisters, Elma and Liliana Katia Keisha. His father was an admirer of United States President Ronald Reagan and named Ronaldo after him. Ronaldo's mother revealed that she had wanted to abort him due to poverty, his father's alcoholism, and having too many children already, but her doctor refused to perform the procedure. Ronaldo grew up in an impoverished Catholic home, sharing a room with all his siblings. He idolized the Brazilian footballers Ronaldinho and Ronaldo during his youth. As a child, Ronaldo played for Andorra from 1992 to 1995, and later spent 2 years with Nacional. In 1997, at age 12, he went on a 3-day trial with Sporting CP, which signed him for a fee of £1,500. He moved from Madeira to Lisbon to join Sporting CP's youth system, and attended school at Escola EB2 de Telheiras, located in the city's Telheiras area. While popular with other students, he struggled with his school responsibilities. He was expelled after throwing a chair at his teacher, who he said had disrespected him. A year later, he was diagnosed with tachycardia, a condition that threatened to end his football career. He underwent cardiac ablation, a type of heart surgery in which a laser is used to cauterize multiple cardiac pathways into one, which altered his resting heart rate. He was discharged from the hospital hours after the procedure and resumed training a few days later. By age 14, Ronaldo believed he had the ability to play football semi-professionally. He made an agreement with his mother and his Sporting CP tutor, Lionel Pontes, to cease his education and focus entirely on football. He did not complete schooling beyond the 6th grade. In 2021, Ronaldo's mother stated in an interview that her son would have been a bricklayer if he had not become a professional football player. Personal life. Ronaldo is a Catholic. Within his ancestry, he is of Cape Verdean descent through his great-grandmother. Ronaldo's great-grandmother on his father's side, Isabel da Piedade, an African woman, was born in the island of São Vicente, in what was then Portuguese Cape Verde, and moved to the island of Madeira when she was 16. His father, Jose, died of an alcoholism-related liver condition at age 52 in September 2005 when Ronaldo was 20, after her son achieved fame in world football. Cristiano Ronaldo's mother, Dolores Aveiro, became a popular personality in Portugal to such an extent that advertising campaigns for well-known brands in the country, such as Maggi, Multi-Opticas, and Pingo Doce, have featured her in commercials. Ronaldo has 5 living children. He first became a father to a son, Cristiano Ronaldo Jr., who was born on the 17th of June 2010 in the United States. He has full custody of the child and has not publicly revealed the identity of the mother per an agreement with her. Ronaldo Jr. is a youth footballer who plays for Portugal under-15s. Ronaldo is also a father to twins, born on the 8th of June 2017 in the United States via surrogacy. Ronaldo was in a relationship with Russian model Irina Shayk from 2010 to 2015 He is currently in a relationship with Argentine-Spanish model Georgina Rodriguez, who gave birth to a daughter on the 12th of November 2017. The couple expected another set of twins in 2022. The male twin died during childbirth while the female twin survived. On the 11th of August 2025, Rodriguez announced their engagement via Instagram. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 vlogs.